my YouTube channel. As always, I really appreciate it. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope it's not the first and last. I hope you decide to join the family. And if you have decided to join the family, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up if you like it, if you want to see more like it. But anyways, now that we got that out of the way, for today's video, I am going to be doing a product review slash demo of, drum roll please, this is the Briogeo Curl Collection. It is called Curl Charisma. It's actually much more than that. But to be quite honest with you, holding all the products up like this, it's a lot harder than what it looks. I discovered Briogeo through the Don't Despair Repair Mask, which by the way is bomb.com. I actually had the mask on before this video. When I tried the mask, it was one of those like love at first try. I just made that a thing. That's actually a thing now. So when I heard that they had a curl collection, I was very excited. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm just going to give you guys some facts about the products, and then I'm going to show you very quickly how I apply it for my hair. By the way, in case they're wondering, these are the bomb results that I got using the products. So I will be showing you how I got my curls to look like this. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start off with the shampoo. So the shampoo does say it is free of sulfates, parabens, and silicones. The shampoo also comes in 2 different sizes. The size that I have with me here is the 8 ounce, and the price on this is $24. However, this does come in the Mumbo Jumbo Pump Style Shampoo, 33.8 ounces, and it's $58. So it is a lot bigger. I know that it's a lot more expensive, but a lot of times with like these bigger products, you get more bang for your buck. Me personally, I like to use smaller shampoos and conditioners just because I tend to go through them and like to try all these different shampoos and conditioner. Whereas if I were to commit to a really big one, it's going to take me a lot longer to go through it, and I know I'm just going to leave half of it there, going to end up trying something else. So not to be wasteful, I usually get smaller shampoo and conditioners. But if you find a shampoo and conditioner that you just love, that it becomes like your ride or die, I always feel like getting the bigger one is better. And plus it comes with the pump, and you know, it's just that pump in the shower is just life-changing. The conditioner is pretty much the same. This is the same size where it is the 8 ounce, and I believe it's the same $24 price, but let me just make sure so I am not lying to you guys. Yes, this is $24, and the same thing. They have the 33.8 ounce, also $58. So you have those options right there. On their website, it says here who it's for. And the shampoo, because we're still talking about the shampoo, it says for those with wavy and curly hair, texture 2A to 3C. So this isn't claiming that it's for every curl type. And that is something that I very much so appreciate, because I feel like I've talked about this in my other videos. I have a lot of mixed feelings about products that say for all curl types. Okay, so it goes on to say that this is a moisturizing, sulfate-free shampoo that nourishes and defines curls, wavy hair without stripping curls of much needed natural oils. The shampoo is formulated with naturally derived cleansers that remove dirt and buildup without stripping curls of needed moisture. Apply to wet hair and massage vigorously for 30 seconds as lather builds, then rinse. If your hair has extra buildup, rinse and repeat. I definitely feel like the times that I've used it, I would say that their description on what it does is pretty accurate, because I did feel like while I was lathering and using the shampoo, it was making me feel like my hair was becoming very clean. Now, this isn't the type of shampoo that, for example, I can finger detangle my hair with, or leaves it super soft. This is more of like a shampoo where, at least for me personally, I feel like it's getting rid of like dirt buildup, and so with that comes a little bit more of like a rougher texture once the shampoo comes off. Now, I don't want to say that it's like hard or that it's stiff or anything like that. There just are some shampoos that leave my hair a little bit with more slip. There are some shampoos that I can actually finger detangle my hair with. This is the type of shampoo where you feel it like really work working and cleaning the scalp and the hair really, really well. Alrighty, so moving on to conditioner. The conditioner is very similar to the shampoo in the sense that they are saying that this conditioner is geared more towards curly and wavy hair type 2A to 3C. Ultra hydrating conditioner to nourish, define, and defrizz dry, hard to tame textured hair. I loved the way that this conditioner felt. I mean, if you guys can see, or you will see on the video, I was able to detangle my hair with no problem. I mean, I was just completely shocked at just how quickly my brush was just running through the hair. I didn't have to tug on it. I didn't have to go and add like too much. I thought that it was absolutely perfect. My hair had so much slip. It felt so nourished and so incredibly soft. Like, I loved it. This is actually one of those conditioners where I see myself constantly going back and repurchasing over and over because I absolutely loved it. Their suggested way of using it is after shampooing, apply and massage to hair, ensuring the conditioner is applied evenly. Leave in 2 minutes before rinsing. For extra moisture retention, rinse the conditioner lightly from the hair. So it's kind of saying to leave a little bit of the conditioner on. So a lot of conditioners will say to leave the conditioner in your hair for like about 2 minutes before rinsing. And that's one of the reasons that I find detangling my hair in the shower. There's a lot of reasons why I detangle my hair in the shower, but that is actually one of them because I'm already having to sit there and leave the conditioner in my hair for a minute or two. So I could just go ahead and in the meantime detangle my hair. It's kind of like you kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm just saying. And then plus, I don't know what it is about stepping out of the shower. As soon as I step out of the shower, detangling my hair just becomes so much more difficult. So if you currently do not detangle your hair in the shower, I totally recommend that you do because it's life-changing. Especially if you have little ones, I definitely recommend that you detangle their hair in the shower because it's gonna tug and pull on their hair a lot less. And I already know it's like super difficult. I get so many questions about how to deal with little kids with curly hair, and I know it's a struggle. So detangling the hair in the shower is gonna help out a lot for both mom, dad, and baby. Alrighty, so now that we are done with the in the shower products, we're gonna move on to the styling products. The first one I'm gonna talk about is their leave-in crème. I'm just always gonna say it like that. Alright, so their CurlSmith crème. This one is 6 ounces, so it's a little bit on the smaller side, especially for us curly girls. I do feel like 6 ounces is small. I could see myself going through this in a blink of an eye. And the price of this is $20. So it's not the most expensive hair product out there for us curly girls. However, it is not the cheapest because I know how quickly us curly girls will go through something like this. Now, this one does not come in any other size. This is the only size that this comes in. I mean, according to their website. Unless they have it somewhere hidden, I can't find it. This is the only size that they sell for the leave-in conditioner or leave-in crème, sorry. Website does now say that this is for curly, wavy, and coily hair texture. Here it says that it is a curl defining cream that provides definition and control while maintaining movement and touchability for resilient, sleek, and long-lasting curls. I definitely agree with the movement part, because one of the things that I love the most about these styling products is just how lightweight it makes my hair feel. My hair immediately, as you guys know, if you've watched a lot of my videos, you know that pretty much every single product out there creates a cast to my hair. So this does create a cast, but I break it up so easily. And as soon as I break up the cast, my curls become very touchable, very bouncy, very soft, and it gives me volume, which you guys know I love me some volume. So this is probably one of my favorite things about these products in particular. So moving on now to the gel. The gel is the same size as the leave-in crème, and it is, well, it's actually a little bit smaller. It's 5.5. That's so random. It's 5.5 ounces, and it is also 20 bucks. Well, my same feelings apply to this. However, this is a gel, and I don't use gels as much as I use creams and leave-in conditioners and all of that. So this, for me, will last quite a bit. If I'm investing $20 in a product that's 6 ounces, but I'm only using tiny amounts, this is gonna last much, much longer. So for this one, I feel like it's a little bit more, I'm getting more bang for my buck. The website says here that the gel is for wavy, curly, and coily hair. It says it is a light to medium hold defining frizz control gel. I would say, in my opinion, this is more of a medium. It's like, I want to say like medium to hard, but it's not like a hard hold. I would just say it's more of a medium, not light medium, more of a medium, heavy medium, you know, because I have used this several times and I have to be very, very careful with how much of it I use. To give you an example, the Bounce Curl gel, I could be a little bit more heavy-handed with that gel because I feel like that is very light. When I think of a gel and I think of a light gel, that's the one that kind of comes to mind. So I kind of use that gel as at the basis of like the comparison. I know you shouldn't compare, but we're comparing. So I find that gel to be light. Whereas this one, I feel like I cannot be as heavy-handed as I am with the other one. I have to be very careful. And the texture of it, as you guys will see, feels more custardy. Sort of like if a gel and a custard had a baby. This is what that gel feels like. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Okay, so I don't know if you guys could tell, but just simply by me pouring it into my hands, I can already tell that this is not very light. This is more, like I said, I consider this medium. So if you could see, I feel like custards do this a lot more than an actual gel or like a light gel. You see, pretty much it's gonna stay in place. It's not really gonna like drip down. If I were to do this with some other gels that I have that are very light, for example, the Bounce Curl one, and there's one also from Vitagoods that it's a very light gel. They're very watery. I mean, it'll start to run down my hand very quickly. Look, I'm still holding my hand up and it's still kind of like holding its position up there. So that's why I feel like it is not that much of a light gel. I think it's it has more of a hold. So is that like good or bad? Well, it depends. For me, it's good once I realize that it is not a light hold gel. So once I start treating it like it's more of a medium hold, then I use it perfect. Now, if you're the type of person that you like a good hold without having like crunchy or like stiff curls, this is perfect. This gel helps out a lot with definition and with frizz because it has that good hold. Okay, so last but not least, it is the Coil Custard. This one, the size is 6 ounces and this is $26. Now this is very thick for curls and coil type 3B to 4C. So this is a rich and creamy dude, get it together. This is a rich and creamy leave-in styler for curly and coily hair textures that hydrates, defines, and enhances curls and coils. Let me go ahead and show you guys what this looks like. As you can see, this is just like a very, very thick cream. Massage product into small sections of damp hair. Tightly twist strands while stretching down to activate coil pattern. Once the product has been worked down to the ends, release the hair so that the curl or coil springs back into place. Alright, these products can be purchased directly on the Briogeo website, or you can also get them at Sephora. So it depends if you want to get you some Sephora points. Or I'm actually on their website right now, the Briogeo website, and it says you get 10% off your first order. So that might be worth taking advantage of. They actually also have a bundle value pack, and it includes everything that I'm using in today's video. It includes the shampoo, the conditioner, the cream, and the gel. $88 value, and they have it for $79. And then they also have a travel kit. It's called CurlSmith Definition on the Go Travel Kit. And this one is $25. There has been times in the past where I have purchased a travel kit because I want to test out a product and I don't want to fully commit to the big product. For example, I did that the first time I ever tried anything Vitagoods. I bought like a little travel like kit that they had, loved it. And I've done that also with Diva Curl. They had like a little travel pack. I bought that, tried out a couple of products. And then from there, I was like, okay, I want to make the commitment for this product and this product. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much, I feel like I I covered the basics. If I missed anything or if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump straight into styling my hair. So if you're interested in seeing how I got these results, then please keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so these are the final results. What do you guys think? So that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys want to see next. Let me know if you have tried these products before. What are your thoughts on it? Did it work out for you? Yes, no, maybe so. But anyways, I love you guys and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Jumping.